How to assemble the Nilfisk Core 130. Step 1. Place the machine face down and insert the lance holder. Step 2. Insert screws into the holes to secure the holder. Step 3. Attach axle and insert screws. Step 4. Clip wheels into place. Step 5. Remove cap and screw on tap adapter. Step 6. Thread rubber band through cable holder. Step 7. Attach the cable holder to the rear of the machine. Step 8. Connect handle and insert screws. Step 9. Insert nozzles, chemical bottle and hose into place. Step 10. Connect lance into place. Firstly line up, push in then twist, then release. Step 11. Connect the nozzle to the lance. So now that you're all clued up on how to put your machine together, it's now time to get out there and start cleaning. And don't forget to head on over to Cleanstore.co.uk where you can find an array of accessories for your car and your home.